Hello and welcome to Wilson Boyd Crypto. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's look at the crypto charts. And this is on Trading View, and this is Cardano. We've broken through the resistance there. We're going to break through to 90 cents and then a dollar definitely this week, $2 possibly this month. We'll come to the reason why very shortly. This is Solana again. It's all similar patterns as we go through the cryptos, Bitcoin. Yeah, everything's. This is SNEC. Ooh, yeah, broken through the resistance as well. But I didn't realise it had done that actually. It's only done that in the last hour. Let's have a look at Explosion. I did a video about that one yesterday. Yeah, it's still holding. It's not quite broken the 0.5 cent yet, but when it does, I think that one's really going to go. I just don't know. It's doing steps up. That's what these are here, the steps and like the next step. I don't know. That's one of the ones that I don't want to say it, but yeah, if it does a 10x this cycle, I would expect that as long as nothing happens, because you just never know in crypto. But I think the thing is, crypto is going to explode anytime soon. Next Wednesday, the 17th, is the FOMC meeting where they're going to reduce the interest rates by 25 points. And I think it could be 3 times this year, 3 more months this year where there's a reduction, which is going to explode crypto. Let me put on a video actually. This is Tom Lee, not the drummer, Lee on CNBC today. And I'll put this video on for you now.
I should say the debate maybe the White House is having over these jobs numbers and what it portends for the economy and therefore what it portends for the Fed.
We can see that Fed fund futures jumped from roughly 2.3 cuts by the end of this year to almost 3. To me, if I look at what the bond market's pricing, which is now essentially 3 cuts and the Fed is talking about 2, the bond market is saying the Fed is behind in terms of how they're perceiving these changing conditions. And so I think on the 17th, when the FOMC makes its rate decision, I think there is a chance the Fed responds to that. And if it does, it's going to be good news because the bond market is going to take comfort from the Fed recognizing the labor market's weakening.
Bitcoin, before we let you go, tell us what you think. We're at about $111,000. The upside, the downside from here?
Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies like Ethereum are super sensitive to monetary policy. So I think that September 17th is an important catalyst. Crypto typically does really well in the fourth quarter. So I think Bitcoin can easily get to 200,000 before year end. I know it's a big move. It's almost a double, but that's also going to be a
double from here. Let's just hold on. Let's just take a quick pause. A double from here. So everybody's listening to this. We're at $111,000 and you think by Christmas time, effectively, we could be at 200,000?
That's right. One of the reasons Bitcoin stalled this year is the Fed's been on pause for 9 months. That pause all year, if you look at an easing cycle, that's only happened 2 other times, in 1998 and 2024, where the Fed began to resume cuts in the fourth quarter in September. Equities do really well. As you know, crypto is beta to equity. So I think it's going to be a very strong fourth quarter. Small caps should also rally, like IWM, but that also is really bullish for Ethereum, which is highly linked to small caps.
And as you can see, bullish things are going to happen just when the rate cuts. Honestly, people have got money, their mortgage payments go down, people become bullish, and this is going to be the start of something big. This is it. This is alt season. Buy crypto now and hold for the next few months. I'm honestly thinking December now. I was always thinking it was going to be September, October, November. I've got that period marked out in my diary. But now I'm looking at December for the top. But it could go into next year. A lot of people are saying that. So anyway, buy crypto now because we are at such bargain prices. You're going to get 3 to 10x's from where we are now. And some coins will 100x from now. So anyway, that's enough today for Wilson Boyd Crypto, and I'll do a video later in the week. Goodbye.